Hi, I'm Rod.
And I'm Jenny.
And together we're Pumpkin Pixie. We've been on the run from cold weather since November 6, 2024. This has taken us from Minnesota to Texas, California, Utah, and all areas in between.
We've had so many adventures and experiences that we wanted to start recording them, and we think others might want to come along for the adventures as well.
From our first night on the road, sleeping at a popular rest area in Iowa, to eating some of the best barbecue in the country, we want to remember all of the adventures along our journey.
Our dream is to travel the country, find beauty and uniqueness in the people and places we visit, and share those things with you.
Please join us and keep in mind, we are new to this and will only get better as we learn more. Click that subscribe button and be one of the first to follow us on our adventure. We've been in Hurricane, Utah for the past 2 weeks. While here we've attended Matt's Off-Road Games, had a couple of mechanical failures, checked into Zion, Utah, Jellystone Park, sang some karaoke, and recharged our batteries before heading out to Boondock.
Check out our first video and stay tuned.
He's building speed. I think this is the one. Helmet is on. He is no turning back. It is in the air. Yeah! Oh, wow. Oh, he stuck that thing like a yard dart. And he's out of the car. Good job. Thank you. Make some noise. What was that? I don't believe it. Let's go. Let's go. I thought we did that airbag delete when we updated it this morning, but what? One, send it. Alright. Big mater all over the whoop. Mini mater almost in the peg brother. Oh, they hit the peg brothers there. Forgot how wild that thing is. Crossing up in the figure eight. Still out here over the jump. Jonah hanging off for dear life, screaming it. Got that boom out. Oh, he's going off the ramp, people. Oh, cutting his opponent off. Shoving off that speed they worked so hard for. It is still neck and neck at the apex. It is over the whoops, over the jump. It is a race for the finish. Can they catch it up? Many made it ahead. They made it over the line. Spins it in the air. All right, Roy, ready to go. All right, Justin's got to wave the flag. 3, 2, 1. Send it. All right, engines to the floor. Oh, looks like Wedgie missed a gear. Rudy well out ahead. I think the Wedgie's struggling. He's already around a turn. All right, Rudy already wrapping it up. He is making the turn, configuring his eight. They're gonna miss the ramp this time. Making the Wedgie go wide. Wedgie on the outside, in those runs. Rudy already on the right turn. All right, Kenny clear this time. All right, Wedgie on the inside. They got a lot of ground to cover. Rudy on the whoop. He is across the line. Win goes to Rudy, but win. All right, Murphy Diesel ready to go. Matt ready to go. 3, 2, 1. Send it. All right, Murphy Diesel blowing smoke. Matt over the jump. They were going wide. Matt taking the inside line. Working that four-wheel steer. Elbow on the outside. Lining up. Oh, Cyber Jeep taking another hit. They're going to cross it up. All right, Hellboy going right over that big sand pile. Matt coming around to meet him. All right, Matt on the brakes, keeping it sharp. That was a close one right there. I think they almost touched tires. Matt over the sand pile. All right, Murphy Diesel missing that figure eight. Matt coming around. It's going to be a race for the finish. Murphy Diesel hitting the wheel. I think they missed an eight. Murphy Diesel beat him to the gate, but Matt did the course right. So I believe it is Matt.
We are in Hurricane Mesa, and that's the right pronunciation, Hurricane Mesa. They do not pronounce it hurricane, it's hurricane. So we have come out here to do a little rock hounding, as they are known for petrified wood. So Jenny and I have found a love of petrified wood, and it is all over the place here. So let's take a look and see what we can find. And it's all over the ground here. It's pretty amazing stuff.
This, I think this is a piece, because if you see the lines through the mud.
Yeah.
I don't know though, it's so muddy. We need to bring a sport bottle with us.
And I looked at our water bottle and decided not to bring it.
That's such a big one though.
This is a chunk of wood.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is all petrified wood here. It's crazy.
This looks like a sawmill over here. I don't even know where to start.
Just that much petrified wood,
Look
huh?
come here, look at all this. It looks like a sawmill. All that.
Yeah, all the wood-looking pieces you see are petrified, and that's crazy. So we're not the only people that rock hound and look for petrified wood out here. There's quite a few people that do this. The winding road coming up here was
Terrifying.
pretty scary. Well, we're just here to give you an update on where we are with our rock hounding and our petrified wood that we were looking at. And we've just been cleaning here. As you can see, I've got a little bowl of water that I've been scrubbing pieces in, and Jenny has a bucket over there full of water. And we're just getting the dirt off of some of these pieces. And we've got just some beautiful pieces that we've pulled out of here. This seems to go all the way through. Looks like some opalization of this chunk.
Gotta get it wet.
Get that.
To really see it.
Get that wet and really show you what it looks like. But yeah, it's a very cool specimen, and can't wait to get that one cleaned up a little bit more. And Jenny was just showing me this piece here, and some of this looks just like wood that came off a tree yesterday, but this is a rock, and that is such a bizarre feeling, because we've seen a lot of petrified wood, and not a whole lot of it looks like freshly felled trees. So most of it looks really like it's taken on some different minerals and whatever that do not look like a tree, and have these whites and yellows in them as much and as vividly as these do. One of the issues we had here in Hurricane was at the KOA, our camper slipped off of its stackable levelers, and as you can see, we had to replace this scissor jack because it was the only one up and it was crushed, so we had to get a new one and replace that, and it was not the most fun thing to do. We also had to, when we got to town, our springs, our leaf springs, were compressed to the point where they were flattened, and I have some pictures of those before and after, and we had to have those replaced, and we had our bearings repacked and our brakes checked at that point, because we do have quite a few miles on the camper at this point. So everything is working now, and we are ready to head out into the sticks and the boondocking and do some real off-road travel. through it. I see the food is open. We'll break into the. This is the main pool. We have another pool. I think it's a kiddie pool, but they're both at the same depth. Kind of show this lazy river over here. The lazy river opens at 3 today? Is that right?
Yes.
We might have to come back for that. We have some slides. For the most part, I think this is included in the camping fee. We got a little kiddie area over there. And like I said, this park is less than a year old, so there's still attractions being built.
This is only the second weekend that our water pits is open. The campground has been about a year.
Whether you're a kid or a kid at heart, you'll love getting creative with our glittery designs.
Very
Pull
cool
into the
area.
Ranger Station or check your Jellystone app for times and locations this week. Don't miss out on the glittery fun at Zion, Utah Jellystone Park.
Great times and great friends. This is Zion